Happy Wednesday, everybody. Me, and all of yous are off to the, it's a bright day out today. Beautiful. We are off to the big box store. We're going to pick up, hopefully, some lime. I already had some blood meal and stuff there to amend the soil. Let's roll on down to the big box store. I want to try to get some lime. It was suggested to me that I amend the soil with a little bit of lime. And if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. My tomatoes are usually pretty good. The yield is pretty good. The one problem that I have is that the tomatoes don't seem to be very red in color. They're almost like a pinkish. So I don't know what kind of tale that tells. Maybe something lacking in the soil. Like I said, they taste good. They can well. They look good when all is said and done. In other words, it performs well. But there's something, when you see the way that my friends at Boston and Janet have their garden, their tomatoes always seem to be like a very deep red. These things are all cockeyed. Yeah, I stepped on them one time and bent the little side shoots, whatever the heck that thing is called. So I'm gonna go down here. I'm gonna see if we have soaker hose too, and I'm going to look around and see if there's anything else that I want to plant in the way of a tree or a bush on the rancho. So I'll see you guys down there as we exit the hood. Hope it's not mucked up. Head in, they smile in your face. Ooh, we got a lot of people in here today. Let's roll in. This is lavender. I want to see if it really smells. I guess it does. I don't know. It doesn't seem to have too much of a smell. I guess it does. I don't know. Huh. Weird. Alright, we'll look around a little bit where they got some bare root trees. Maybe we'll look at an apple tree back here. It's like a good time. 50% off on all of the bare roots. So that's cool. A lot of different varieties here. I like a red apple. Gala, that's a good one. Gala's a good one. So you can get that for like 14 bucks. I don't know. I don't think I'm quite ready to give up on my apple tree. Might make it sad. Right. Don't make that apple tree cry. Let's go down Manure Row here. I don't want to put it on too thick, Stuff ain't cheap. coconut potting mix. Yeah, $15.97 for each one of them. Why grow your own vegetables? Super soil potting. Let's see where the good goo is here. Oh, keep looking around here. I should be able to smell it. Here we go. Choice manure. Yeehaw. Chicken's too hot, isn't it? I don't know.
Yeah.
Chicken manure. Doesn't that stuff like make it too hot? I don't know. Let me see if they have the cow stuff. I guess it's better to have a chicken manure than a chicken running around, right? That's all I need. I think our price is okay. $4.49 each. I think I'm gonna grab about 4 of these babies. There's people loading up rocks and stuff over there. And the yard, gravel, heavy soil, 2-person lift. I guess that's paver base mix up there. I don't know. All right, let's go see if we can find a little bit of lime here. I did find the steer manure. It's half the price of the chicken, so I'm going to get 3 bags of the steer and 1 of the chicken. And I think I need some soil conditioner. You know what my hands smell like, right? All right, let's roll out of here, guys. I just got the soil. That's all I really needed today. Let's roll. Oh, hello. This is one of these dealios. You don't want to leave these babies in the car over. You know, man, you'll have infused with poo tea smell. Well, that's your van anyway, Rosie. I got my tire warning light is on. So I'm going to pull over here and plug in my pump real quick. So y'all bear with me. It's always something. Don't T-bone me. It's always nice to carry a pump with you. Bad news, guys. Right there. We're going to have to go get that baby plugged right now. Like rolling around that hood is like one continuous scrap metal yard with all the stuff that people leave all over, shopping carts and bicycles torn up. So we're gonna go up to our favorite hood tire shop and see if we can get this baby plugged. Our very exciting day continues. One good thing about being in the hood, man, they know you and they take you right in right away. So it's going to be $30. It used to be $25, but $30 is okay. He put the plug in and everything. Definitely had a nail in it. I think everything's looking all right. I'll tell you one thing about Mexican shops, man, they don't screw around with... I've been here, I went and had 1 soda, $30 cash, and the guy had already started on it, and literally 15 minutes later, I'm out the door. So I am feeling, well, I'm not happy about that. And I don't want that to happen 10 times a day, but let's get back to the rancho and get unloaded here. Get on with, well, I think I'm just going to get unloaded today. I think we've had enough excitement and drama today. I'm just going to get this unloaded. I'm going to get this situated, and then tomorrow, eventually we might have some more. I don't even want to say the R word, The R word, it's the worst 4-letter word in Northern California right now, but you know, what am I gonna do, right? So might be nice to get these amendments down. I'm gonna check the weather, and then I'll check back with you guys and see what today's exciting plan is. Here, well, Blackbird helped me get this unloaded here. So I ended up with 1 bag of chicken, 3 steer, and then some potting soil. So it looks like it's going to be raining on Friday, a little bit of rain. So that gives me tomorrow, Thursday, to do all the prep. Let it rain. They didn't have any lime down there. Actually, I forgot to even look at the lime. I didn't see it right at eyesight. Can always throw it on later, but the rain will help this all settle in, and then hopefully on Saturday I'll be able to do some planting. Sound like a plan? Well, that's going to do it for today's big adventure, and as usual, never a dull moment, right? Nailing a tire and all that. So you can't win for losing. So I want to thank you guys for being along, and I'll see you later on today. Thumbs up or appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell for all notifications.